Hello. How's it going? So today, for the video, I have a couple of things planned out. It's going to be a very busy day, actually. Okay, so today's video is going to be pretty... I don't know how I'm going to shoot it, but there's a lot of stuff planned today. I have to build Kirsten a computer. That's going to be really fun, actually. I enjoy doing that a lot. So I'm just waiting until the shop opens to go down and then pick her up her PC parts. The only other thing I have planned really is possibly putting window tint on my car. I don't know how that's gonna go. I've done it on an inside window once and that turned out okay. I have 5% tint that I bought, a tint kit that I want to use. So hopefully my car turns out, and then I'm gonna do Kirsten's car as well. But those are the two main things that I have planned today. Yeah, we'll see how they go. We're back. Okay, so I didn't film the other part of me picking up the PC parts, mainly because I'm awkward and the dude selling me the computer parts was just as awkward, if not more, and it just would have been very uncomfortable for everybody if I brought everything back here, back at HQ, headquarters, home quarters, whatever the fuck you want to say. Core i5, a MSI bazooka, M-ATX motherboard, powering everything. It's going to be 600 watt power supply. For the case, I went with Cooler Master, again because it was cheaper, but also because it has really good airflow in this case as well. And they didn't have what I wanted in stock. I wanted like this little box thing, but it wasn't compatible with the motherboard, so I was just like, fuck it, it's fine, whatever. One thing about OTV, I guess, in Saskatoon is that they tend to do the motherboard for you, but they put my RAM in here too, but I didn't have a fan that came with the motherboard. Kind of shitty. I will need to go pick up an aftermarket fan like I said earlier, but it's all good. Check this thing out. Alright, so what's gonna happen is I'm just actually probably gonna finish building this PC because the whole process it's pretty lengthy and it's not very interesting to watch, and I'm mainly just gonna be talking to myself. A little update on the PC build here. I'm gonna be taking a little break. I am kind of tired, to be totally honest with you, and I don't really want to build a PC right now. I still have 2 days before Kirsten comes home. Technically 1 day, including today, but I still have a couple days. So I think in the meantime, I'm just gonna let that marinate for a little bit, and I'm actually gonna do some chores. Exciting news! Holy fuck! I'm so pumped. I still need to go out later, but I'm so happy right now. I'm dumb as shit. There was, in this box, the i5 core. There's a fucking fan! I don't need to go out anymore. Okay, so I'm installing the CPU fan. So, little update on the PC situation, I guess. It's not turning on, and I don't know why. So, I'm gonna have to take it apart and redo everything. Energy drink. It's been probably 5 hours since I've last filmed something. The only thing that's happened really is that I went out for lunch with some friends, and they actually came back here to help me take a look at it. We had no idea what's going on, so. Look at this. Put the sides on the PC, even though it's not big. No, I'm kidding. No, it's completely done. Turned it on, currently downloading an operating system, looking for a 32 gig memory card that I can use in the meantime to put the operating system onto the computer so that way Kirsten can actually use it. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so quick little update on what's going on here. Kirsten's computer is up and running. Pretty happy about that, to be honest with you. Building a PC is there's always complications. This one time, I'm currently downloading putting the operating system on the computer. Don't mind this. But the main complication that I had was actually, it was such a small fucking thing. I didn't put enough motherboard stands on. I didn't know that would fucking affect it. I was missing a corner one, so I just screwed them all in. And this is Lily in a little sweater. Say hi. I really hope Kirsten enjoyed it.